Anu from VMAX. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect smart switches. Smart switches are a convenient and easy way to automate your home. I'll walk you through the process step by step. The first step is to pick the smart switches that works best for you.
We are providing different control options to connect with smart lighting.
For this video, we will introduce how to connect zero fire switch and zero fire 6 key scene switch together to lights and through our mobile app. Now it's time to connect the smart switch. Start by turning the lights on, and before 5 seconds have passed, press on button 5 times. Now it's connected.
Once your switch is connected to the lights, you can start choosing your scenes. We offer 4 scenes: summer, winter, reading, and VV.
Here, I can control the brightness of the scene. Low, press for high brightness. Low, press for low brightness. And here, you can control your color temperature. You will have cooler color. You will have warmer color. You reset by long press on the on button and the off button together and reconnect by clicking on button for 5 times. Congratulations! You have successfully connected your smart switch and enjoying all the benefits of it. Sit back, relax, and let your smart switch do the work for you. Let's move to connecting the lights to the mobile app.
For this step, you should download VMAX Smart. It's available in App Store and Google Play Store. Then you will choose your match. I will choose RGB lamp. Connect to the app. Turn on the lights for the start, and within 5 seconds, connect by clicking on time on the button. It should flash 2 times and you're connected to the lights now. But if you had any troubleshooting, if it flashed only once, that means more than 4 devices are connected to it, which is fine. You have just to disconnect the light and reconnect to it. It's working now. Choose your color, scene, brightness and mode. Through the application, you can control the color. You can customize it and play with it. Set the scene as you want and reset it whenever you want. You can share your lighting setting with your family and they share theirs with you by one click. To know more about our smart lighting switches, visit our website for full information. Or for any support and assistance, visit our showroom or call us just now.
Now you have everything under your control by one click while you are enjoying your time. We hope you found it informative and helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Until next time, goodbye.